Hello, folks. Welcome to yet another session. And in this session, I would be showcasing you one of the very interesting platform that we shall be using for our practical exercises, and that is Killer Coda. So, Killer Coda, you need to visit this link. What is killercoda.com? And this particular domain offers you all the interactive environments preset, pre-configured. So that means you don't have to worry about spending time on setting up environments, configurations, arranging the required resources. So Killer Coda hosts all the environments, including the Docker and Kubernetes as well. And whatever kind of stuff you want to perform using these interactive environments, Killer Coda is there to help you out. So this is killercoda.com. That's where you have to come. And once you reach Killer Coda, you see on the at the home page, you'll find a lot of tools that you can work with. So this is Grafana, Thanos, data stacks, Kubernetes, Terrascan, Helm. You can see it gives you so many preset environments. So let's say, for example, if you go inside Grafana Labs, and there you'll find different scenarios or interactive environments. Like say, for example, if I go in Grafana, we'll be making some attempts later on. So this is starting from Grafana basics to getting started with Grafana, part 2 of Grafana alerting, part 3, part 4, 5, and so on. Fundamentals. So if you just click, you get into all the content related to Grafana. Right. So if you go to workshops, so a text-based adventure game. So a lot of things are there. Good thing is that everything is set. Let's say you want to use some playgrounds. So everything is preset here. So Ubuntu, Kubernetes, you'll be using one of them. I can use these preset environments. Let's say if you go to Helm, right? So it give you all the scenarios for Helm. So basics to advanced. So this is one of the fantastic platform that can help you out with all the interactive environment. And this setting up environments, especially for such kind of scenarios, is something which is very difficult in terms of resources and then making all the setups. It's not easy. So this Killer Coda gives you all the essentialities, fulfills all the essentialities, so that you can focus on the application rather than configuring the environment. So let's use a couple of more. So it's, for example, Docker is there. Then there are a lot of options here also. Some popular tutorials like Jenkins and a lot of more options. DevOps. Yeah, that's it. So that way, there are a lot of options that you can explore with the. So if you want to get into cloud native, it gives you access to all the essential foundation labs. So start from basics to then going to Docker. Yeah, talks about review, network, deploying. Let's say if you go to the cloud native basics, so creating dashboards with Prometheus, Grafana, deploy workloads using Helm, getting started with Stio and Kubernetes, Terraform basics. I've already given you the Terraform tutorials as a separate exercise. So that's Terraform. So this is within cloud native. These a lot of options are there. So it depends what exactly you are looking for, what kind of services or what kind of application you want to use. Accordingly, you can select the required environment and you can work this out, you can practice, you can learn. And this is something which is very exclusive about Killer Coda. So in the sessions to come, I would be using this, I'll be using Killer Coda to access all the essential environments, setups or configurations, right? So that's a quick introduction to Killer Coda. We'll meet again in the next session. Thank you for watching.